In this video, I'm going to be showing you the 5 basic skills that you need to learn to actually make money in 2025. The same skills that have made me money ever since 2021, and I generated millions and millions of naira from it. And of course, I've showed it to my students and it has helped their life up till today. Let us dive right in to the video. For the sake of people that don't know me, I'm Ayokule Bayode and I'm a digital marketer, content creator, and video producer. I've been doing this for the past 7 years and I've gotten a lot of results for my clients and for my students as well. I also have an experience in sales and marketing close to a decade now. And I believe with that, I should be able to teach you 1 or 2 things that actually take you to the next level. So the first thing is this. In creating content, we have different ways to create content. But why would you even create content when you don't know the content you want to create? Hence, this is where you have to do the research and actually get something to help you to generate content ideas. Talking about generating content ideas, that's where AI comes to play. You can use AI to generate wonderful content ideas that take your content to the next level. But using AI to generate content ideas won't be nice if you don't understand how to put the right input into the AI to get the right output, which we call prompt engineering with AI. With prompt engineering with AI, you'll be able to put the right prompt into the AI, and at the end of it will give you a non-generic answer, but specific answer, which is based on the kind of prompt that you put into it. Now, this leads us to the second skill you need to learn. After generating your content with AI, then the next thing is, how do you now use this content to create your videos? It's very simple. You can as well just switch up your camera, whatever camera you have, either your smartphone or your DSLR camera, whatever device you have you are doing video with. Switch it up, then start following the script that AI gave you, either the bullet point or the script. Yeah, there are ways you can actually go about. You can go scripted, partially scripted, or unscripted, depending on your level of confidence. So you can go like that as well. So it's very simple and straightforward. Now, when staying in front of camera, we have a lot of people that have camera shyness, which of course I covered in one of my trainings whereby I teach you how to overcome camera shyness, which I'm still going to talk about for the end of this video. So people have this issue with camera shyness and they don't know how to face the camera. Some even don't know where to look at. Imagine now I'm shooting this video with an iPhone. Imagine I'm looking this way or I'm looking straight like this. You see that you don't feel that connection. So that's why you must understand that when it comes to doing video, you have to focus on the lens. The lens is right here. So you have to focus on the lens and do the content. It's as simple as that. Like I said earlier, you can go unscripted, you can go partially scripted, that means following bullet points, or just go fully scripted, whereby you read everything, which of course you might need things like teleprompters. You have teleprompters for phone. We have teleprompters for camera, whereby you can put a device underneath and it's displaying on the reflector, and of course you're able to focus on your lens and also still shoot your video as well. Now, after shooting your content, there's another thing that you need to know. That is more or less like a production phase that you are entering right now, from the ideation, which AI helps you to shooting of the content. Now, the next level you need to go to is editing that content. Yes, because sometimes in your content you will have a lot of filler words like the "are," like the "so," like the "you know," and all those stuffs like that. All those rubbish actually reduce the value of whatever message you are passing across. So it only makes sense if you know how to edit and cut off the bluffs in your video. It's very, very important. That's something that you have to pay close attention to. And of course, you might not have the money to hire a video editor. It's something you can do yourself. You can use CapCut to actually edit your videos. As at the time I'm recording this video, yes, CapCut has a paid version, but at least you can still do some basic stuff like splitting, removing bluffs and other stuff from your videos. It will actually help. You have other apps like VN Editor, Final Cut Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro and stuff. So, but if you don't want to go to that level, professional level, you can start with basic CapCut. After editing your videos, another thing you need to understand is how to post. Sometimes you have the time you post and other things like that. All those things are very important. But yeah, I forgot to mention this earlier. By creating your video, there's a process or how you make that video. You have the hook, you have the story, we have the offer. I shared more in depth with swag files in one of my trainings, which of course I want to talk about before the end of this video. So, but if you are here and you are enjoying this video and you have not yet subscribed, this is the time to click the subscription button and click the notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any subsequent updates we are putting on this channel. So let's continue. Now, I was talking about editing your videos. Now to the next step, posting your videos also is very important. But of course, depending on the kind of video you are doing, this one is more or less like a landscape YouTube kind of video. If you are doing short kind of video, there is a technique to it that you really need to understand. So the attention span of people doesn't last more than 3 seconds to 5 seconds. It's shorter than that of a jellyfish. So if you can nail whatever you want to say and grab their attention with your first statement, it's very likely that they will watch the rest of your video till the end. And of course, have a good story. Then if you have any offer for them, go ahead. Either you want them to follow you, you want them to click something, or maybe you want to sell them something at the end of the day, which I'm still going to do. All right. So that is that part that you don't want to joke with. That will make your content stand out from the noise all over social media. Another thing you pay attention to is this. After creating the video and you have posted it as well, another thing you need to pay attention to that is very, very, very important is how you can even use this video to market your business or to market yourself. So here comes to one app that a lot of people have seen as a messenger app, but it's now becoming a social media app, which is WhatsApp. Now, people that know you, that you are friends with, that know, I mean, warm audience now, if you are selling something, there are the people that will see this video or content if you post it on your WhatsApp update or status, as it may. These are the kind of people that will eventually buy from you. So you have to understand something called WhatsApp marketing. There's a way you post on your status. There's a way you do some automation on your WhatsApp. There's a way you actually come to their DM. There's a way you chat with them in your DM. I also covered this WhatsApp automation and marketing in my course. After doing all this WhatsApp marketing and everything, one skill that I've been making a lot of people money, and I'll continue to make a lot of people money till the end of the world, is affiliate marketing. What's affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is the process of connecting a buyer to a seller. So if you're able to connect a buyer to a seller, then you will make money. Your real estate agents do that. Your content creators do it a lot. Even your so-called celebrities, they do it a lot. If you have seen videos of many of your favorite celebrities, after doing their video, in the middle of their video, they say, "Hi guys, I want you guys, do you know about 1xbet where you can put your blah, 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 blah." You see them saying all these things. Why? Because they are affiliates to 1xbet. And by the time you use their promo code, then they get a cut of whatever money they make on whosoever is taking an action based on their followership or based on following their instructions as well. So that's affiliate marketing, and if people continue to make money, that is one of the easiest way to make money online. If you don't have a business and you want to start making money online, you can go through affiliate marketing. That's how I started before entering into the full digital marketing space. Now moving forward, after learning affiliate marketing, of course, the money you can make here is endless and it's so easy. Like when I was talking about the other time, was actually from affiliate marketing. Many of my students have made money from my own course, from other people's course, just by learning this same skill. Now, let me talk about something that is going to really benefit your life. If you have been struggling and you have been, you don't know what to do. Now, I've made mention of a lot of skills and the things you need to do. But you're thinking that, okay, you need somebody to hold you by the hand and show you how this thing is done. Then I have a course called the WhatsApp and Video Content Mastery Blueprint, which teaches you all these things that I talk about. Although I started with the mindset revamp, which of course the abundance mindset is very important. Then I go to the part of content creation, overcoming camera shyness, video editing, video content creation, video editing. Then I talked about WhatsApp marketing too as well, affiliate marketing, and as a bonus, I even added how to create YouTube thumbnails that make your videos clickable. Isn't that wonderful? If you want to get all these courses differently, you're going to be paying over 100,000 naira. But guess what? I brought it down to 50,000 naira. But if you are grabbing this offer after this video, as at the time of recording this video, if you are grabbing this offer in the next 24 to 48 hours max, then you'll be having access to this at 23,500. I'm going to put the link below this video. You click the link below in the description in this video or below this video to get access to that course. So if that interests you, click the link in the description below and go and lay your hands on that course. I also have a book if you're into sales and marketing and you don't even know how to start in selling anything. I have a book that I wrote back in 2021 and I've been helping a lot of people, even freelancers, and it's called 6 Strategies to Double Your Sales This Year and Beyond. I'll put the link below in the description so you can go there and go and make your purchase. After mentioning all these things, I hope I'll be able to show you and open your eyes to the abundance of how you can make money online. Now, using all these skills, you can easily get them, use them, and get results from them. But if you want to have a deeper connection and you want me to show you how, because this video won't be able to take everything if I'm to explain it. It's going to be very, very long. If I'm going to be explaining the whole process of how you're going to do this, it's going to take a very long video. So why not just void yourself of those stress and click the link in the description below or the button under this video to get access to that training. And I'm telling you, it's really going to help you. You are really going to love it because I have a lot of testimonials from people that have taken this course already. So until next time, once again, I still remain by the Ekulemi. And please, we have gained 1 or 2 things from this video. Click the like button so that the algorithm can show this video to more people. See you next time. And to those of you that are grabbing the opportunity right now, I wish you good luck. I'll see you on the inside.